Today I'm going to show you how to sync Chrome tabs across devices so you can move between your laptop, desktop, or phone without losing track of what you are browsing. This is a super useful feature if you work on multiple devices, research on one screen and continue on another, or just want a smoother browsing experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Chrome tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three-dot menu. This is where you'll find Chrome's main settings and controls. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left side and click You and Google. This section controls your profile, sign in, and sync options. If you're not already signed into Chrome, you may need to sign in with your Google account first, because syncing only works when Chrome is connected to the same account on all your devices. After that, find Sync and Google Services and click it. This area contains all the options related to syncing your browsing data, passwords, history, bookmarks, and tabs. Now select Manage what you sync. This is the menu where you can choose exactly what gets synced between devices. Here, you'll see a few different sync options. To make sure everything is enabled without having to pick items one by one, turn on the Sync Everything option. Once this is enabled, Chrome will sync your open tabs along with your other browsing data across all devices where you're signed into the same Google account. If you want to confirm it's working, open Chrome on another device and sign into the same account there as well. After sync finishes, your tabs should start appearing across devices, making it easy to continue where you left off. If you ever need to manage or change the sync settings later, just go back to the same path. Chrome menu, Settings, You and Google, then Sync and Google Services, and finally, Manage what you sync. That gives you full control over your Chrome sync preferences at any time. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync Chrome tabs across devices in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.